Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make use of DroidCam with the Avatarify software. So it's very simple and straightforward. So this file, you'll need to download the DroidCam driver, the DroidCam OBS virtual output plugin, and the OBS itself. All this you have to download and install. Link to download will be in the description. So let's see. So first thing you have to do is start. And so this just means starting the application itself. The next thing you are going to do is this. We're going to press X to start your water. We're going to use press X. So next thing you're going to do is you have to make use of the DroidCam. So we just need to open OBS. After you have downloaded and installed this too, you have downloaded and installed all this. Then you come here, open your OBS, you click on tools, you see DroidCam virtual, then click on active and auto start on OBS load. So after that, you come here, select Windows Capture. You can just name it whatever you want, whatever you want. So after that, doing that, you just click on this, and Windows, you're going to see Python exe. Select that. In our case, we are selecting the Avatarify window. So okay, so you can just click on Ctrl F on your keyboard, or you right click, you go to transform, fit to screen. So this is what you're going to have. So anything that appears here is going to be showing you whatever application you want to make use of. For example, we're going to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you go to video. Okay. So on camera, you're going to select the DroidCam. You're not selecting this, you are selecting this. So DroidCam video driver. But that's the driver we got inside. And another thing, you can decide to adjust. You see, you can adjust it to fill the screen as much as you want. So after doing this, the next thing you're going to do is this. You come to the application, entry settings, then you decide to call someone. So if it doesn't show, you click here, select DroidCam.